Hello, Dwayne here, discussing the business of residential construction. Now, we've been talking about who the key players are, how to get started, how to hire an architect, what to expect from the architect. But how does that process work? How does the design process work? You just tell the guy, I want a kitchen, I want the refrigerator over there, I want to build an addition, I want a new home overlooking the lake. How does this work? What do you do? Basically, architecture is taking your dream, your thoughts, your ideas, and interpreting them in a manner that will allow a comfortable living space for you and your family. And putting those on a set of documents that can be built. They're taking your dream, tweaking it to make it a good style, good lighting, good window layouts, code compliant. It's a key role. And getting them on a set of drawings. Now they can be priced, and now they can be built. But the process as a whole is an ongoing work in progress. You'll start with your ideas, explaining to the architect, maybe some pictures you cut out of magazines, or you got a Zoom page and you can give the architect a link to it and go, I love these. This is what I want. Point them in a direction. Some of it's going to be basic. I need 4 bedrooms. I need a home office. I want a gym. Whatever you want. You're going to get all of that down with your architect, going over what your expectations are. And they'll begin to draw. And then once you see it on paper, once you start seeing the layout, you may love it. You may just say, this guy is great. You may also go, now that I see it, that's not what I was thinking. Don't be afraid to make changes. Make as many changes as you want and make them now. Now they're cheap. If you wait till after the construction starts going, hey, I think it's okay. If you think it's okay, it's not okay. You have to know it's okay. Once it's built, you're going to have to pay to tear it down and rebuild it. And the architect's going to need to redraw it. So you're going to pay for it 2 or 3 times. So take the time in the beginning. Get the design right. Get your ideas. Make sure your ideas, what you want, what you desire, is on paper. Now, this should be fun. This is your dream. You've been thinking about this a long time. This is something you've always wanted to do. But do it right. Be patient in the beginning and work on that design. Get the layout the way you want it. Get the view so you've got the right angle to the lake or the mountains or whatever you're looking at. But make sure it's correct and it's what you want. Have the architect go back. Redraw it, redraw. Drawing is cheap. In the big picture, drawing is cheap. So do it. Have them give you another option. They'll draw 5 more options and lay out the room 3, 5, 8 different ways if that's what you want. And then you can go, okay, now I see it. That would be great. But spend the time. This is your thoughts and your dream trying to go on paper. And once you start construction and you see it in place, you may change your mind again. Happens all the time. They're called change orders. But the more you can get down the first time and get the layout and the materials that you want in your project figured out ahead of time, the smoother your project will go. So I ran a little long on this one, so I will jump off quickly. If you have any questions about your current project or about a future project coming up, drop me a note. I'll be happy to try to answer. That's what I'm here for, to answer your questions for a successful project in your residential construction. Thank you.